So say you need to put a fresh coat of paint on the door, or maybe over time the doorknob has gotten loose and it fell off. I'll show you how to reattach it. So first, to take the doorknob off, you just need to loosen these two screws on the side. You don't need to take them all the way out. As far as how far you want to loosen the screws, as long as they're out past this point of the door, you should be able to take the doorknob off. So now with the screws loose and the door in the unlocked position, take the two parts and twist around this cover plate and the two sides of the doorknob until the screws are in line with the larger side of the hole, which I'll show you in just a second. If the back of the doorknob is catching on the latch here, all you need to do is press in the latch and this part should come right out. So when you're getting ready to put the doorknob back together, take note of how this is shaped and the indentations on this side. So what you need to do is line up this open side with the side that has the 3 indentations on that side. So when they get ready to go together, they need to line up like that. They should fit together nice and easily. That's how you know you're doing it right. So say you finish your project, you've repainted the door, or you're just ready to put the doorknob back on. First, start with the screws screwed into this side. That'll make it much simpler. And take this part and slide it through the door how it was originally. When you're ready to put the doorknob back on, you may need to press on this latch so that the centerpiece fits through that gap, and then this screw will fit through that hole right there. And that screw will go through this gap over here. So as I'm getting ready to put this side of the doorknob back on, I'm going to take note of that tab in the middle, and I'm going to align the screws into these holes. We're ready to screw this side of the doorknob back into place. Before we do that, you want to make sure that you've rotated this side of the doorknob so that the screws are hitting the smaller hole in the back side of this doorknob. So you may need to tighten the screws a little bit past this outer plate here, and then you'll be ready to twist it into place. Okay, so those aren't on all the way yet. I'm going to then twist this plate so I can see that the screws are actually tightening against the inner part of this doorknob. So now that the screws are lined up and they're actually grabbing the inside of the doorknob, I'm ready to tighten the screws the rest of the way. You may need to adjust as you go along. That's totally fine. Just make sure that those screws are still grabbing onto the inside of the plate. Now, the doorknob is tight on both sides. It operates freely from both sides, and the lock is engaging.